Hey everyone, we are Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas, and we want to give you an amazing point of view of some awesome water slides. Here we go. Unfortunately, we were not able to record on two of our favorite water slides. They were the largest ones in the park, but we had to ride with other people, and so we weren't able to record. If you like this content, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for any time we drop new content, you will be in the loop. Also, if you'd like to help us continue our adventures, we'll also put a link in the description to do so. And remember, we love all things travel. And don't forget, we celebrate faith, family, and adventure. Not everybody can travel, but everybody can go on an adventure. Till next time, we'll see ya.